Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome back to the channel where you can learn how to code better and get more app downloads. And today I'm going to talk about how I am back. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, alrighty, I am back from a few months of silence. Well, not quite of a silence because I have already posted a few videos, but not daily videos and tutorials on my YouTube channel. I am back and today I'm going to talk to you what I have been doing and what are my future plans. So take a look at this page and here I will be talking about what I have been doing lately, my May plans and my June plans. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. So what have I been doing lately? Well, for the last 6 months or so, I have been building an app for a client, and that app is called Capture. Now, I cannot tell you a lot about Capture just for now because we are going to release it very soon, and then I will be covering the whole topic in a whole video. So what is Capture all about? Well, it is kind of an Instagram-ish, Facebook-ish social media app where you can record and share videos. That's about it that I can tell you for now. And I will show you a little bit of a demo here. Let me just show you here. And when we launch it, it grabs data from the Firebase, of course. In the simulator, there isn't any data because you cannot capture videos with the simulator. So I would just go ahead and follow here my other profile, that is Alex, that I have set up on my iPhone. And let me just click on there, follow, and I should get a notification here that I have been followed. Yeah, that's it. Good. So notifications working. And if I go back to my home screen here, you can see that I have all of my Alex Coffee profiles videos here, and of course if we wanted to we can go in there and so on. We can play the video if we wanted to. Great. Let me just go out of there. So this is what I have been building for the last 3 and 4 months, I believe, because the first 2 months were planning and setting up all the details. So I will be having a different tutorial on this very soon. So be on the lookout for Capture. Now let's minimize this and let's go back to our pages file. So I've been building Capture. Another thing that I have been doing alongside building Capture and of course releasing some YouTube videos is planning, and I have codenamed this project Game Builder. So this is just this is not the name of the project, this is the code name, Game Builder, and this will be released somewhere between 1.5 maybe 2 months from now. And this is our project, this is Rebeloper's project, and with this you will be basically able to build iOS games on the go. So this is an iOS app that you will be able to build your own games. It's for iOS, so it's kind of a build box thing, but not really. It's more advanced. We will have more advanced games in them, or maybe it's an upgrade. I like to say it's an upgrade to Xcode. So everyone without a single line of code can build iOS games, and of course on their devices, on iPhone, on their iPad, and so on. So that is what I have been planning, and I am planning to release some of the projects or some of the tutorials that I will learn building, actually coding a game builder. I will be maybe releasing it on the June video tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and of course, after I have finished much of the building of Capture, I took a vacation, and I'm back from the vacation, so this is why I am creating this video for you. And that's it, what I have been doing lately. Now let's talk about the May plans. Well, we are nearly half into May, but let me show you what I will be doing this month. So, new videos every 2 days or less. Now, I really wanted to create a new tutorial each and every day, but I considered, and we discussed this in our team, and we decided to make not a daily video tutorials, but we want to stick to 2 days video. So every 2 days we release a new tutorial, because we wanted to create really good quality videos. If we can manage to do better, so every 2 days or less, then we will. Okay, now one important thing that you will see changed in these new videos are the bigger font sizes. So I have been requested a lot of times in the comments below that I should have bigger font sizes in Xcode, so that will be in it there. So if you have any questions or requests, go ahead and comment down in the comment section, of course, and I read all of them and reply to them, and if it's appropriate, I will change the videos for you. Okay, next up is finish Firebase authentication series. So I have left off, I believe, in middle of March, this Firebase authentication series, and I will be picking up from there and finishing it up. Okay, now the new series, I have just watched the Firebase, well, Google I/O 18, and there Firebase ML machine learning has been added to the Firebase dashboard, and it's very interesting. So I will be covering this in a new series, hopefully in the second part of May. Now, one thing that I really loved about ARKit 1.5 is vertical plane detection. I have already covered that in the video previously. Now I want to cover a new feature of ARKit 1.5, image recognition, and that will be cool as well. Next up is the tribe update, and we have created this plan to update all of the action plans inside the tribe that are so-called outdated, because Firebase app invites will replace Facebook app invites. As you know, Facebook deep link URLs have been deprecated, so Firebase app invites will take the show from Facebook app invites, and many more action plans like Instagram, automation, and so on. Go ahead and check out the tribe on our site. I will leave a link down below, or maybe a card here at the top. Okay, daily replies to your comments on YouTube and Instagram. Well, I have gotten a lot of comments on my YouTube video. Thank you for that, and hopefully I replied in a timely manner, but as of today I will reply daily. So you get your questions answered as soon as possible. And of course on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of followers on Instagram, so you should be one too if you aren't already. So go ahead, and I will leave a link down below, or maybe click the card. Okay, more Code Canyon /Rebeloper.com game source code. So we as a team have decided we need to put out more source codes, especially games, on Rebeloper.com, and of course we advertise them also on CodeCanyon.com. The difference is, well, where you buy it, it is that the money that we get. If you buy it on Rebeloper.com, we get all of the money. If not, Code Canyon/Envato will get their share too. Okay, so stay tuned for new games that you can purchase from Rebeloper.com. New game involving a stickman and a lot of deadly obstacles. Now this is a new contract that we are working on with my client, and it is a very funny and exciting game, and I will be posting new videos about how I make this. Well, not the nitty-gritty, but in the end I will unveil this new exciting stickman game. And of course, your requests. I have been asking your requests in the comments below, and I have been reading them and putting up a list of your favorite topics that you want me to cover next in the YouTube tutorials. And go ahead and continue asking me for new tutorial topics, and I will be making them on the channel. Okay, June plans. Well, these are sort of not settled yet. Maybe a game builder videos, how I will make game builder, and maybe some useful tips and tricks on how to create SpriteKit games. Next up is iOS 12 topics. Well, when iOS 12 will be released to us developers, maybe, well, I'm sure that there will be some interesting topics there. And lastly, SpriteKit videos or AVFoundation videos. And I'm coming back to where I started about capture. Well, capture mostly, some part builds around AVFoundations. I have learned a lot about AVFoundations, and I have found my favorite code as of today. I love AVFoundations. It makes people cry, and that is because AVFoundations can be, and I'm sure that it is, quite hard to wrap your head around. So I've decided, if you want it, and I will create a poll around this, if we want it, then we will create, well, I will create an AVFoundation video series ranging a lot of topics, where maybe how to create AV player, how to add filters to that player, and so on. So if you want it, go ahead and vote on the poll. The other video series that I was thinking about is SpriteKit. Of course, you know I am an expert in SpriteKit. I love making games in SpriteKit, so I could cover that all. So what do you think? Should I make SpriteKit videos or AVFoundation videos in June? Go ahead and take the poll, and I will take a look at the poll, well, maybe in the beginning of June, and I will create those videos for you. Now that's it for today. As you know, I am back and full throttle for the new videos and tutorials. Leave your comments down below if you want new topics and so on. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you in the next one.